Hey guys, my name is Marco and today I want to tell you about an amazing product for cleaning rifles and shotguns. Basically, our product is made from felt, which itself is made from wool. It has incredible properties that allow it to remove dirt and gunpowder deposits from your gun's barrel. Also, after cleaning the gun, when you use our felt pads, you will apply the best possible protection with oil until the next time you use your weapon. Every package contains a certain number of felt pads and an adapter you can mount on it and use with your cleaning pad. After mounting, you simply apply some cleaning spray on the felt and you are going to make a couple of strokes through the barrel. Best practices show you how to do it at least 10 times. Simply follow this straightforward cleaning procedure, which I will now describe. So the first thing you're going to do is where you see this nut right here, you screw it off of the adapter. You take it off the adapter. Then you take the wool felt plug and you screw it onto this end of the adapter like that until it's snug up against this side here, and then you take the nut and you put it back onto the adapter on the side where the plug is, and you make sure that that is tight like that. Then you take this and you put it onto the very top of the rod, the cleaning rod that you're going to be using for cleaning the barrel of your weapon. Now that is ready to clean the gun. So now let's move on to that. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply cleaning spray a few times to the felt plug before cleaning the weapon. So we're just going to do that a couple of times and that will be enough. And put that down there. Next thing you want to do is you want to make 10 strokes inside of the barrel. Basically you want to do it at least 10 times, and if you do it a couple of extra times, a few extra is not going to hurt. It's just extra cleaning for the weapon. So I'm going to essentially go back and forth at least 10 times, and end up doing a couple extra strokes. So as you can see, the felt is very dirty, which is good. It means it got all the dirt out, it got all the extra gunpowder out of the barrel. And that's what you want. You want to get the dirt and the gunpowder out. And in the next phase, when we apply the oil, we're going to apply some very long-term durable protection for your gun, which will make it more accurate, last a longer time, and just generally protect your weapon. So once you've cleaned your weapon with the cleaning spray, you can leave it for an hour or two or overnight, depending on your cleaning routine. And after that, the next step is to take some oil and to apply it to a fresh new felt a couple of times. That's it. And what you want to do at that point is the same thing. So essentially you want to apply it to the weapon. Same thing, 10 or more times. Once you do that, you are going to have durable protection for your weapon until the next season when you're ready to use it again, either on the firing range or on the hunting ground. So for the shotgun, the procedure is basically the same. So one little difference here is you have these two in addition to the nut. So what you do is you take the nut off of the adapter. Take one of the washers off. Take one of the washers off, you leave one washer on there. Put the felt onto the adapter, then you take the first washer that you took off, you put it back on top of the felt, and finally you take the nut and you screw it back on top of the first washer. And then you take that, screw that on top of the cleaning rod. So again, just as with the rifle, before cleaning the weapon, you just give it a couple of sprays with the cleaning spray. Start here. And again, same thing, you make 10 strokes. So the last step, as with the rifle, is to apply some cleaning oil to the felt, and your gun will last a very, very long time. And that would be that. Now we are providing a couple of different calibers, 7 of them to be exact, starting with 223. Also we have 243 and 270. We also have cleaning felts for 30, which includes 30-06, 308, 300 Winchester regular, and 300 Winchester short magnum. We also have felts for 12 and 20 gauge shotguns, and 28 gauge is coming soon. We will introduce more calibers in the future. Until then, thank you and see you soon.